Are you looking for the NASA Lunar Telescope? In this video we will show you the 4 best NASA Lunar Telescope for kids. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Let's dive in. Number 1. NASA Lunar Telescope for Kids. 90x magnification includes 2 eyepieces, tabletop tripod, and finder scope. Kids telescope for astronomy beginners, space toys, NASA gifts. Brand Blue Marble. Model name Lunar Telescope. Optical tube length 1 inches. Eyepiece lens description Galilean. Objective lens diameter 25. Telescope mount description equatorial mount. Product dimensions 7.09 inch dx 4.13 wx 17h. Focus type manual focus. Power source. No power is needed for this lunar scope. Finder scope straight through. Inspire curiosity. The NASA Lunar Telescope allows your child to see the moon in incredible detail, the perfect gift for girls and boys interested in space, the moon, and astronomy. High-quality optical glass and finder scope. This easy-to-use telescope comes with a finder scope, low power, and high-power eyepieces. When used correctly, this combination will allow your child to easily locate the moon and then zoom in for a close-up view. Tabletop tripod and smooth mount system. Use the included tripod to steady your lunar telescope for optimal viewing, with a smooth mounting system that allows easy scanning of the entire lunar surface. Perfect for beginners, this telescope is easy to assemble and use, making it ideal for young scientists and parents to enjoy together. High-quality educational toys. We're proud to make the highest quality hands-on science toys, and all our products are backed by. Number 2. Celestron StarSense Explorer 114mm Tabletop. Dobsonian smartphone app-enabled telescope, works with StarSense app to help you find nebulae, planets and more, iPhone/Android compatible. Brand Celestron. Model name StarSense Explorer. Optical tube length 18.5 inches. Eyepiece lens description 17mm and 10mm Kellner eyepiece. Objective lens diameter 114mm. Telescope mount description altazimuth mount. Unleash the power of your smartphone. Let your iPhone or Android phone take you on a guided tour of the night sky. No telescope experience required. Just follow the arrows to locate stars, planets and more. Patented StarSense sky recognition technology. This one-of-a-kind scope uses your smartphone to analyze star patterns overhead and calculate its position in real time. App generates a list of tonight's best objects to view. The app tells you what's in the sky based on your exact time and location. View planets, brighter nebulae, galaxies, star clusters from the city plus fainter, deep sky objects from darker locations. Number 3. ToyerBee Telescope for Adults and Kids. 70mm aperture, 15x150x, portable refractor telescopes for astronomy beginners, 300mm professional travel telescope with a phone adapter and a wireless remote. Brand ToyerBee. Model name Beginner Telescope. Optical tube length 300mm. Eyepiece lens description Barlow. Objective lens diameter 70mm. Telescope mount description altazimuth mount. Product dimensions 13.6 inch dx 5.5 wx 20.9h. Focus type manual focus. Power source adapter. Finder scope reflex. High magnification. The telescope equipped with 2 eyepieces, H20mm and H6mm, and a 3x Barlow lens. The 3x Barlow lens trebles the magnifying power of each eyepiece, so kids can get magnification from 15x to 150x. Whether it's viewing planets or moon, our telescope is the best helper for adults and kids. It's a great telescope for adults and kids 8 to 12 and astronomy beginners. 70mm large aperture. The refractor telescope is equipped with a large 70mm objective lens, and the lens is fully coated with high transmission coatings. A high transmission optics lens can increase light transmittance and reduce the reflection of light. The bigger the aperture is, the bigger the field of vision will be, so you can see the clearer and brighter images. Professional astronomy telescope can help adults and 8 to 12 kids view the planets and stars more easily. Wireless remote and phone adapter. Our telescope is equipped with a wireless remote and phone adapter. Just install your mobile phone on the phone adapter, connect to the eyepieces of the telescope, and use the wireless remote to take the photos. You can take clear and bright pictures easily. Number 4. MEEZAA Telescope, telescope for adults. High-powered professional, 90mm aperture 800mm refractor telescopes for astronomy beginners, fully multi-coated with AZ mount tripod and phone adapter and carry bag. Brand MEEZAA. Optical tube length 800mm. Eyepiece lens description Kellner. Objective lens diameter 90mm. Telescope mount description Altazimuth mount. Product dimensions 32-inch dx6wx10.24h. Focus type manual focus. Finder scope straight through. Compatible devices smartphone. Lens coating description fully coated. Professional astronomical refractor telescope. If you are interested in astronomy or like to explore the night sky, the MEEZAA Astronomical Telescope is for you. A perfect telescope for adults astronomy beginners to explore nature and the universe. 90mm large aperture. The astronomy telescope has an 800mm f/8.88 focal length and 90mm aperture. The 90mm aperture captures more light pictures. Fully multi-coated optical glass lenses with high transmission coating improve image brightness and clarity. Optimum magnification, 32x240x. Our telescope for adults high-powered is equipped with 2 eyepieces, 10mm and 25mm, and a 3x Barlow lens. The 3x Barlow lens triples the magnification of each eyepiece, allowing us to observe unprecedented lunar details. Convenient accessories come with an adjustable stainless steel tripod, enabling various observation angles. All accessories can be packed into the carry bag for easy carrying and storage. The phone adapter can take amazing photos through your phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.